or whatever. They're just like getting swoop attacked or whatever. And I can see it out my office window, so I'm just like having the best time or whatever, watching everybody walking in from the parking lot, okay? So the air conditioner guy, I guess, like, wasn't having a good time. Well, I don't guess. I could see him not having a good time out there trying to do the maintenance or whatever. So, long story short, I call the company, right? And I'm just like, it's as hot as a beep up in here, okay?
We've already, just say it.
It's hot as a bitch up in here, okay?
Beep!
And then, and she's like, well, is the air conditioner making, like a rattling sound? And she's being all nice and doing her job and everything. And I'm like, I don't know where the air conditioner is, okay?
It's gone.
Okay? She's like laughing or whatever. I was like, just get out here and make it not hot. Okay?
Get out here and make it not hot up in here. Can you get your arm off my chair, please?
I said we're sweating our balls off up in here, okay? Okay? And she's laughing so hard. And then she asked me permission or whatever to write that in the notes. And I said, heck yeah! You can write that in the notes. It is hot as a bitch up in here, and we're sweating our balls off. Get out here and fix the air conditioner, okay? And I don't know where the hell it is. That's literally what she typed, and
Someone and then
lady doesn't know where the air conditioner's located.
And then the dude came.
So, dude, of course, he comes on Friday, okay? The day that I don't go in. So I left a message for them saying, you better call before you get on campus or whatever. But of course he didn't. So he's just there and he's calling me and he was like, hey, I'm here. I was like, I told you to call before you got there to make sure somebody was there. Well, guess what?
Nobody's there.
Nobody's there. Okay? But that's not true. The warehouse super was there. Just let him in or whatever. But
You can't.
I was like, all right. And when he called me, I was like, oh, we'll have to bleep that out. But,
You cannot say people's actual names.
okay, the warehouse supervisor.
Stop looking at the camera. You can do the puzzle while you speak. I've just been like trying to do the puzzle. Multitask.
Let him in, okay? So,
No, I'm not.
ooh, I got a piece. Okay.
You say that every single time you got a piece.
I know, it's like, it's a good progress for me, okay? Me no good at puzzle. Okay. So,
Me no good at puzzle? Is that what you say every single time you complete a puzzle piece? It is. Because I've heard it. Because we've made, like the last puzzle we did, like, constantly, she's like, I got a piece! I got a piece! Oh my god! It's like, oh my god, I'm gonna kill you.
Well, don't do puzzles with me then.
Well, too late! Does that go together? Why would you put that right next to each other if that doesn't go together?
Just to annoy the shit out of me.
Where does this go?
Anyways, so the guy gets there, right?
Yeah.
And he's like looking around. He's looking at the air. First off, when he calls me, I was like, all right, let me get pants on. Okay? And he's like, all right.
Let me get pants on.
And so I get over there. I live like 20 minutes away. And I say hi and everything. And he's like, so is there a reason that these two air conditioners are just turned off? I'm like,
They're just turned off.
no. And he was like, how long has it been hot? first off, he was like, "This is great. I couldn't wait to come. I've never seen anything like this in the notes or whatever." He's like, "So apparently it's hot up in this bitch, and they're sweating their balls off, and she has no idea where the air conditioner unit is."
Well, they'd be right.
And I was like, "Well, yeah." And he was just like, "I couldn't wait to get over here and see what was going on at this location, you know?" And, so he was just like, "So there's nothing wrong with it. It was just turned off or whatever." And I was like, "Are you kidding me?"
It's just turned off, man.
So we've been like, I guess like the whole point about the bird was that the guy who was doing the bird, doing the maintenance
the bird
on the
I
day
hope
with
no
the
people are
bird,
doing birds.
you know, just I guess got distracted, and after he did the maintenance, he just didn't turn it back on because he was getting attacked by a bird. Okay.
Puzzle. Do I have to say it? That don't go there.
This is too light.
I've just been putting crap together. Just trying to connect pieces. I don't.
Well,
Just
look at the
do it.
color.
Look at the color. You think I'm really gonna pay that much attention to it? My body makes a whole shadow over this. Ooh,
That sounds like a
I have
personal-
something in my eyeball.
That sounds like a personal problem to me.
My eyeball.
Well, go get something out of your eyeball then.
I just rubbed it a lot. It's fine.
Oh yeah, because that's a good idea. That's not going to scratch your cornea or anything.
Oh, shut up.
Oh really?
Oh,
Really? Bark, bark, bark.
We are gonna get copyrighted because of you.
Why? Copyright strike?
Yes.
Why?
Because of all the things you're saying.
No, it's less than 30 seconds. And it's not even, like... Do you feel like this matches?
I don't know.
Just...
If it connects, do it later.
I don't feel like I think I've gotten like 3 pieces the whole time that we've done this puzzle.
Well, you might be right. I have not... Here's the piece.
So look, there's like tree leaf.
Listen, I'm doing my part, man.
You're a lot better at puzzling than me.
I am not better at puzzling than you.
You are better at puzzling than me.
Do I puzzle you with all my riddles? What am I, the riddler?
You're the puzzle man. Just like
I'm
Pillow
not
Man.
a man.
Just like Pillow Man. But you're Puzzle Man.
Apparently, alright. Apparently, there's like a comic or like a skit about Pillow Man. And I have not seen it. Pillow Man.
Do we feel like this matches?
I put it together.
Okay.
And it all fit, so I'm just rolling with it.
Alrighty.
Ooh.
Roll with it. Roll with it.
Hold on, I kicked that. Okay, it's still good. We have the camera on 3 boxes
To make it taller.
to make it taller, and I just accidentally kicked one of those boxes. So I'm trying to see if like I
So
moved
you're
it.
freaking out.
Trying to move my chair. All the weird noises. All the weird noise. I'm trying to speak. All the weird noises I make could go into a compilation, like an hour-long compilation.
I don't think that would be very interesting to listen to.
But it could like someone could make it so that it would like go to the beats of the like a music, like.
Oh, I got one!
Congratulations!
Yeah, look at that. Look, I got that one. I got that piece and I got that
I need this
piece.
Oh, my eye. It's my other eye now. What am I getting in my eyeballs?
Oh, I got one.
Good for you. I'm working.
I feel like that's on this side.
I've done blue. Eyeball. I'm getting tired of it.
Tired of what? Oh. Bork, bork, bork.
Shush.
Oh my goodness. Where is this in the picture?
I don't know.
I'm just saying. Do you see it in the picture? Oh, it's the side of the road over here.
But that's not on the edge.
It is on the edge.
No, we're building from down here.
Right here.
We're building from down here. Up.
I know, but this part of the puzzle is this part of the edge.
Oh. I'm an idiot. Shush.
This is over here.
And this is on this side. Okay. Okay. Be quiet. Just move.
Just go over there. Look, that piece goes over here. This piece goes over here. Okay.
What is this?
Look, there's a piece of water. Water sand. Water sand.
That's an umbrella.
No, but look, there's a little tiny piece of water.
That's the chair. See, it has a nub.
No. There's the...
This is the umbrella, and then that's the nub, and then there's the chair piece. See, I was right.
You're right.
I am right. Always right. Totally.
Totally. I'm totally right. Dude. I'm totally...
Well, this is a side your coworkers would never have expected to hear from you.
Oh, I bet they would expect it.
I keep accidentally kicking these boxes on the ground with my
Sounds like
feet.
a personal problem.
No, it's not a personal problem because if the camera goes crashing, like,
Then we will be like,
ah,
technical difficulties.
just put my hand over it. Burps. Ah, yes.
So that goes right here somewhere. Oh, I got two pieces. I got two
So this is gonna be a part. Oh, this
I
would
got
be
two
like.
pieces.
Man.
Oh, I got another piece.
This would be like somewhere over here, cause like it has that. Like, or it could be like right there. I don't know.
What are you talking about? It's underneath.
And you connect that too, cause that matches right there.
Whoop whoop.
We just need.
Whoop whoop. We need one more piece right there.
It's not this one. See, that's the chair.
Okay, that matches right there. Okay, so what is that?
Wait, no, I'd go over here. No, this is right here. No. No. Oh.
Oh, it's such a goodie.
Actually,
It's such a goodie.
It's not. It's not it. No.
She's
Her
such
is not-
a cutie. What part of that was a problem for you?
Ooh. Ice cream.
Oh, yeah.
They didn't see that. I'm glad they don't see that.
They have no idea what we're talking about, huh?
I'm glad they don't.
Yeah, that don't match. That don't match.
Oh, let's go over here.
It don't match.
You're gonna drive me insane. Log 1 descended
Help
to
me
madness.
find this piece here. I tried that. It has to be, look, it has to be one innie, one out. I know, what are we gonna call these
Innie
little
and outie?
What are these little nubs?
They can't see it.
Huh?
They can't see it.
What do y'all call these little
No.
nub-
It's a nub.
nubby parts?
It's
Or
the
whatever, the tip. Ooh. Ooh.
Coworker's gonna be asking a lot of questions.
They won't be surprised, I promise you.
Yeah, because you've been working there how long now?
Hmm?
I'm gonna boy you.
Did you miss a piece and you put it in the box?
Probably.
That piece?
Probably.
You suck.
I suck what? What you gonna say?
You suck.
They can't see it. Look at the camera. Why you looked at your phone instead of the camera?
Shut up. They can see. It's inside the tape. See?
Oh my god.
See?
Used to be like
See?
right
See?
here.
You go over there and mind your own businesses. This is what it's like, or whatever, to do a puzzle with Olivia. Aha! I got a piece.
KK would always like do like Mom, just
I got a piece!
forget about what you just did. If they heard it, they heard it. Can check the audio later. Yeah, your coworkers don't like it when you do that. Do that laugh. Ah! Silence. Like, did you not find it funny?
No. I find you funny.
No, Jennifer, I did not find it funny. All the names we say are
Have been
fake
changed.
names, have been changed.
To chant.
Or like fake
to
names.
protect.
No, Jennifer, I do not like your jokes.
I got a piece. I got a piece. What? I got a piece.
I got a piece.
I got a piece.
Why do I make like a song every single time?
Guys, I suck at puzzles, so I'm really happy about it. It's like blue on the edge.
I got a
piece.
My hair grazed my lip, and it like tickled, and now it
I got
itches.
another piece. Look, I did all these pieces right here.
Yeah, see, they still don't like it. I got some.
This goes up here.
Up here.
There.
Oh, it's
No wonder I couldn't find anything.
this puzzle's gonna be too
bigger
big.
than the area.
We're gonna have to like zoom it out.
Yeah.
I told you would have to do
well,
that.
it's so small as it is.
Well, too bad.
A micro puzzle there, you know. I think it'll be fine.
What are you gonna do? Strap it to the
It'll
ceiling?
be fine. It's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine.
Nobody's ear. Oh my god! Ugh! You touched me with like that. Hold on, I don't know if you can see it, but like the bunch of dead skin because she like burned herself or something.
No, like
you
touching chemicals or something. I'm
touching
allergic
chemicals
to.
or something she's allergic to, and her skin keeps peeling. And I accidentally touch that, and it's like it's the worst thing that you could touch.
It is not the worst.
Yes, it is.
Kind of.
What have I touched, Mom?
I'm a drama queen about it.
I hate the feeling. I got the feels. I made those two pieces.
I got this piece though.
No, I got that.
I got this piece. Baka, baka, baka.
I got these three pieces.
I got a piece.
Oh, that don't fit there.
Get out of my way. Get out of my way.
way.
Get out of my way.
Boy, boy. Oh,
Does that fit? Does that fit?
does it?
Does it?
Deuce it?
Does it?
Does
What
it?
do you think? Yes. Okay.
That fits right there. What about this?
Yes.
That fits right there. What about this? That
No.
Yeah. Stealing all the puzzle pieces.
Because you're tired of me getting pieces and you're not getting any? You're not getting any.
How many jokes are you gonna make about
A
topics?
lot, probably.
No. Nope. Nope.
The bicycle.
The bicycle.
Shut. Shush. Shush.
You shush.
You're a shush. Shush.
Shush.
Shush. There, I got a piece. Jesus.
Shusheth.
I can't see on that side. You're gonna have to do them.
Silence in the courtroom.
Look, I did
Are
like
you sure
all
that
of
goes together?
these. Yes.
Do that go together?
I did like all of these, okay?
I don't think this goes together. It's crooked. Quiet. That goes together. I think we're missing a piece.
Yeah, think.
Yeah, think.
Yeah, think.
Yeah, think. Yeah, think.
I think you did it.
I think you did it. Turn around. Why are there so many sticks?
It's the wood plank, honey.
Oh. Well, read your hand. Give me the box. Because I think I put a bunch of corner pieces. Like side pieces.
I got a piece.
I got arthritis.
I got a piece.
What do you want me to say? I have hair. I have limbs. If we're just pointing things out, I have a nose, have a mouth, have 2 eyeballs.
Use those 2 eyeballs to look at the pieces.
That don't go together.
That goes down here. Look, I'm about to get a piece. What's this? Hey! It goes right there.
I got a piece!
There you go.
Yeah, I think we're missing
I think
some.
we're missing something between here and here.
And her. Yeah, I think we're missing a couple pieces.
Where does this go?
I don't know.
Ooh, 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 ooh. Look at that.
We're missing something between here and here.
Yeah. Let's do the sky. We got a lot of that we still need to do.
Give me no. Give me the box.
Give me the box.
Oh my god. Like whenever I do like I like think I'm drinking like puzzle ass. Taking a bath of puzzle. Imagine taking a bath with a bunch of puzzles instead of water.
Ew.
I think there'd be a lot of dust.
Okay, I'm gonna move this down since we're working on the top of the puzzle.
My arm space.
What is this? It's not a side piece. Did you ever watch Inspector Gadget? Da-da-da-da-da. Inspector Gadget. Da-da-da-da-da. Ooh, ooh.
It's woohoo, not doo doo.
Da-da-da-da. Inspector Gadget.
All right,
Da-da-da-da-da.
here, take some ice cream, y'all. Ice cream eraser. Don't move my ice cream. Don't look at me like that. I did not mean to say it like that. I'm gonna poke your face.
They can't see my facial expressions.
Or can they? That'd be really weird. They could.
Creepy. What are we doing here?
Did you just
being
do
creepy?
Did you do this?
Creepy.
I thought you did this. I thought she did this.
I said
Grab your hands.
you got grabby hands.
What am I grabbing?
I don't know, but you grabbied it.
I don't think I want to talk to you no more.
I keep getting pieces.
Here, I need to look into. Let me go get the box lid back here on the floor.
It's not my fault. You screwed it all up.
I'll be quiet. You may have screwed it up a little bit.
I didn't screw it up.
How do you know?
I
You
know.
don't. No, you
Okay, yes, I do know. Ooh, I found a piece.
This is the second time I thought I was gonna burp, but then I haven't.
Okay, thanks for sharing.
Welcome to our TED Talk.
Yeah. I don't think that matches.
Thanks for coming.
Yeah.
Oh, here's a side piece. It goes right here. I found a piece.
Well, you shouldn't have found it in the box. Let me just
Oh, I found a
start
sky
with that.
piece. There's a sky piece for you. Why are you building it vertically?
Because I was trying to get it close to me. Turn around, every now and then I get
Did
a
you say
little
turn around?
closer. Never turn
Whenever I
around,
hear turn around, I think of that like
turn
one skit that said, "Turn around,
around.
turn your ass back around."
What?
If you get it, you get it. If you don't get it, be gone. Thought.
You know, I was at work and I was like saying, I had no idea that like thought, THOT, was a thing. Okay? Right?
Oh, I got
And
this.
I was saying that, and I just want you to know, and laughed at me. So, I mean, my coworker. Wink,
We're gonna have to bleep it. Stop saying things. We're gonna have to bleep. No, we'll put on screen redacted in red.
Laughed at me so hard. I was like, people get to have thoughts, or whatever. And she's just over there laughing. I don't know what she's laughing about because I'm fucking old. Okay? And she's just like, people should really get some experience before they get to have thoughts, or whatever. She's just over there like.
I mean, I would too.
I'm like, what are you laughing about? She was like, you have no idea what you're talking about.
I found more leave pieces, but they're not side pieces.
We're looking for side pieces.
Whenever I say like side pieces,
Yeah, I know, that's what I was
chicks.
thinking. Yeah, that's what I was thinking too.
I shouldn't be thinking of that.
I've never been.
Oh, look, it's another part of the bird from earlier.
I've never been a side piece.
What is this supposed to be? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
You think somebody needs somebody else if they're dating me? Damn.
Damn, sorry I blew you off. I was having lunch with Microsoft. Okay, that song is gonna be stuck in my head now.
We really think that this matches?
Yes, 100%. I stuck it together.
I don't know.
If I have to go through this again because I missed another piece, I'm gonna be angry.
We'll put it back together, but I don't know about that piece, man.
That side piece. Okay.
Stop with that.
I keep dropping pieces.
Sounds like a personal problem.